do some crap. See if they issue anything.
Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 p.m. At 11:46 a.m., gusty showers of a thunderstorm were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles west of Atlantic Beach to near Amelia City, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic Beach, Palm Valley, Jacksonville Beach, Lakeport, Talbot Island, Nassau Sound Approach Buoy 6A, St. John's Lighted Buoy, and Enrique. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine out 60 nautical miles. A slight chance of showers through the night. From Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida out 20 nautical miles, waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 1:30 p.m. At 12:32 p.m., showers were located along the line extending from 29 nautical miles east of Amelia City to near Guano River State Park, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gust 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Tournament Reef, Casablanca Reef, Anna Reef, Madrid, South Point Villa Beach, and Guano River State Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. If your vessel is caught offshore, immediately secure for heavy weather. Ensure all crew members are wearing USCG-approved Type R life jackets and non-essential crew are below decks. Deploy jack lines and harnesses if available. Check life-saving equipment, including batteries on handheld radios, for readiness. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine out 60 nautical miles.